Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir on September 16 of this year, as you can see right here, when the price of this asset was at $35.8. And my main assumption at this point was that we shouldn't hit much higher targets from this level, because this asset has to have a cool down, and we have to wait for some kind of retracement that potentially might land to some lower levels. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and I told you that we might have a retracement, and if the next leg will be to the upside, this means we might not hit much higher targets. And as you can see, we were trading pretty much sideways for the entire week. And for now, on pre-market hours, as you can see right here, we are down by almost 2%. And I have to say that on the one hand, this asset shows extremely bullish signals. On the other hand, guys, I have a lot of doubts of its potential next leg to the upside. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much a one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look on its price action again. I have to say that if we zoom into this range from September 16 to present day, this range is not so big. From its lowest point to its highest, it is just about 3.7%. And definitely this sideways movement on the one hand is a pure consolidation phase. But guys, we have some mixed signals. First of all, we have bearish divergence. It is not so obvious, but we can see lower highs on our side with the higher highs on the price action. But at the same time, guys, we have an extremely high volume. And I will show you what should we expect from the technical standpoint within just several minutes. And for now, let's take a look on the fundamental news. We don't have any updates for the Palantir from major analytic firms. The consensus analyst price target according to market bit is still $26.79, which is about 28% of downside potential. According to TPRanks, we have pretty much the same number, $27.08, with the downside potential of about 27.2%. And right here, we can see that among 15 ratings, we have 4 analysts who suggest to buy, 5 analysts who suggest to hold, and 6 analysts who suggest to sell. Basically, we have 100% mixed signal from this point as well. And take a look right here. If you Google Palantir stock and switch to news tab folder, you can see that we have more and more bullish news for Palantir. And let's take a look, for example, on this one that was published on Forbes about a week ago. And it says, can Palantir Technologies stock surge 2x to $70? And guys, the brief answer is possibly yes, because it has a very good growth for more than 20% annually. And guys, the most important and the most crucial part, I would say, is their consistent growth in their contracts. And take a look right here. If you take a brief look on Arnie Tracy Twitter account, he reposted the tweet that was written by Gotham on September 18th, and he wrote, breaking, Palantir USG was awarded a $99.8 million firm fixed price contract for user licenses for the Maven Smart System AI tool, ancillary software support and hardware. Work locations and funding will be determined with each order, with an estimated completion date of September 24th, 2029. And guys, this is the most important part. They have a contract for the next 5 years. And I have to say that the majority of Palantir contracts have the same quite long completion dates, and this means Palantir has a consistent cash flow on their balance sheet, and they have a very strong position from their fundamental standpoint. That is why, guys, in my opinion, Palantir is still quite interesting stock. We have, take a look right here. The most recent update from analytic firms was made by Bank of America on September the 10th, and basically 2 weeks after this increase in their price target from $30 to $50, we don't have any updates. At the same time, guys, take a look right here, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Guys, take a look right here. On September the 9th, we have a first mention of the S&P 500 and Palantir news. You know that just recently, Palantir was added to the list of S&P 500, and since then, we have an extremely high volume, despite the fact that Palantir is not growing so fast. And I have to say that it is a pure evidence of the accumulation from the wealth standpoint. But at the same time, guys, I have to say that whales who want to invest in Palantir right now don't care about the upcoming fluctuations in price, about the upcoming volatility of Palantir. And from the technical standpoint, guys, take a look again on a daily time frame, and let's turn off all the tools, because it is a lot of gibberish if you don't know how to properly use this analysis. As you can see from the bottom, basically from December, end of December of 2022, this asset gained more than 531%, and it doesn't have major retracement. It has several waves, but from this bottom, from May of this year, end of May of this year, we consistently have, we already have 3 waves to the upside with a very deep retracement to the first one, and it happened basically just 1.5 months ago. And since then, we still have a substantial movement to the upside for more than 70%. Definitely, this asset is extremely interesting for the investors, long-term investors. But on top of that, with its high volatility, it is quite interesting for the traders as well. And guys, from the trader's standpoint, I have to admit that the movement to the upside has to have a major retracement. Not like these ones that didn't break its previous swing lows. But let me show you, let me turn on all the tools and let me zoom out. Let me show you the basic of Elliott wave theory. We have to have, in a motive wave to the upside, we have to have 5 waves in it. Then we have to have 3 waves retracement. It is just a baseline pattern. And as you can see right here, if we completed 5 waves to the upside, the retracement should break its major swing low. And as you can see, each and every wave has the same structure of 5 waves to the upside and 3 waves to the downside. And we have waves inside the waves inside the waves. And for now, let's again turn off all the tools. For now, we have just movement to the upside, retracement that didn't break previous swing low. Movement to the upside, retracement that didn't break swing low. Movement to the upside, retracement that didn't break its swing low, previous swing low. Movement to the upside, retracement, didn't break. Movement to the upside, retracement, didn't break. And we have to see, guys, we have to see a longer consolidation phase and lower ranges to re-enter the long position. That is why I think Palantir is not the best candidate to enter your investment position right here, because it has to have a cool down. At the same time, guys, if you know how to properly catch the top, and I don't want to encourage you to enter any short positions, because it is extremely risky for now. Definitely with anticipation of the movement to the downside, you can do it, but you have to be an experienced trader. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.